Hello gas family, we are here somewhere in the wild doing a gas system installation for this beautiful lodge that we're here. So this is our kitchen that we have here. This is where the restaurant is. So we've actually run our piping from the supply point coming to 3 points where they're having their equipment for cooking. So as you see on the outside here, we have our gas line, the one that's just coming out from the wall. It's run against the wall. So that's our gas line that's going all the way. At that particular point where you see there's that red component, that's the storage for the cylinders. But before we get to the cylinders, let's start with the inside. So come to our kitchen where they'll have their grilling getting done. So we have our griller that's there. We've already turned the grill. As you can see, the blue flame, this is the exact flame that you need coming from gas. So what we've done, we have a safety shut-off valve that's here and a step-down regulator to regulate the gas pressure that will be coming to this griller. So this griller is up and running, just waiting for the chef to come and they start doing their cooking. Let's see the blue flame that we have on the bottom there. Yep. That's the blue flame. That's what you require. When your gas is burning purely, you ensure that you have blue flame. So this is the first point. Now if we come through the hallway, we go to the other kitchen where we've got 2 more equipments that are also using gas. So the gas line has been connected in series. So we have a point where we've got 2 cylinders and everything is connecting, coming to all the equipment. So we have our gas oven that's here. So same. The main shut-off valve in case of any emergencies for turning on and off of the gas, step-down regulator that's there. And coming to the inside, you have your blue flame. The oven is ready to bake. We get to the other point where we've got this cooker table. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is where they'll be cooking from. Same, we have our main shut-off valve that's there. Step down regulator, and we have our burner that's here. As you can see, you have the blue flame. The blue flame is what you require for equipment to be able to burn correctly. Let's head to the outside so that we see where our gas is coming from. So this is us walking to the outside. So the cylinder we have there, it's a 15 kg cylinder. We're using it for testing before we have the 2 48 kg cylinders that will be positioned into here. So what you have this section where 1 cylinder will be connected to here, the other cylinder coming to there. They're all shut-off valves on each particular point. So if the cylinder that's being used here runs out, they don't need to run and start changing cylinders. You just close that valve, open the next valve, and you're already using your second cylinder. So this is where the cylinders will be positioned. They'll be secured in this cage. And your gas supply is coming from that point there. It goes all the way, it goes to the outside. Let's see how our pipe is running out. Wow, this is a beautiful place. This is very nice greenery. The rooms are very nice. Okay, so what we have our piping that's coming down from there. It went underneath and the pipe runs all the way to that point. So this pipe is connecting 3 points. So that's the first point for the oven. That's the second point for the cooker table. And this is the third point, the one that's coming to the gas griller, the one that's at the beginning where we started our video from, which is here. Thank you so much for all your commercial gas system installations. Look no further, call on to us, Gas Connect Zambia, and we have you covered. Let's now enjoy the sunset. Thank you.